Understanding the Unsend feature on Messenger.
Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of messaging on Facebook Messenger. Specifically, we're looking at the Unsend feature. This feature gives you the ability to retract a message that you've sent, handy for those moments when you've made a mistake or changed your mind. We'll be examining whether the process of using this feature is the same on the desktop and mobile versions of the app.
What is the Unsend feature?
The Unsend feature is a helpful function provided by Facebook Messenger. After sending a message, you have up to 10 minutes to decide if you want to retract it. The message, once removed, will be replaced by a text indicating that the message was removed. But remember, if the receiver has already seen your message, even though you delete it later, the impact of the message can't be undone.
How does Unsend work on Messenger desktop?
On the Messenger desktop app, using the Unsend feature is fairly straightforward. Here's how. 1. Locate the message you want to remove. 2. Right-click on that specific message. 3. Select Remove from the options that appear. 4. A prompt will appear asking you to choose between Remove for You or Remove for Everyone. 5. To unsend the message, choose Remove for Everyone. The message will be replaced with a text that says, You removed a message.
How does Unsend work on Messenger mobile app?
The process for the mobile app is very similar. 1. Tap and hold the message you want to remove. 2. Select Remove from the options that appear at the bottom of the screen. 3. A prompt will appear asking you to choose between Remove for You or Remove for Everyone. 4. To unsend the message, select Remove for Everyone. The message will be replaced with a text that says, You removed a message. In conclusion, the functionality of the Unsend feature is essentially the same on both the desktop and mobile versions of Messenger, with just minor differences in the interface and interactions. Regardless of which platform you're using, you have the ability to retract messages within 10 minutes of sending them, giving you some measure of control over your conversations. Remember, use this feature wisely. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this information has been helpful.